Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Explorer side mirror. It's a common repair that you can definitely do yourself. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a trim tool set, a pocket screwdriver, and various sockets, typically 7mm, 10mm, and 11mm, along with a ratchet. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get started on removing the old mirror. Begin by using your trim tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel trim pieces. Once those are loose, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Next, you'll find 3 mounting nuts, often 11mm, holding the mirror in place. Remove these nuts, being careful not to drop them inside the door, and then gently remove the old mirror assembly. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly, ensuring the mounting studs align with the holes in the door. Next, connect the electrical wiring harness. Listen for a click to confirm it's secure. Then, hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts onto the studs. This initial tightening helps hold the mirror in place while you prepare for final adjustments. For our final steps, ensure all 3 mounting nuts are fully tightened, but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect all electrical components to the door panel, including the window switch and door lock cable. Carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips snap into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all mirror functions, such as power adjustment, heating, and any integrated turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.